Hello everyone, welcome back. Getting no service on your Leica mobile. In this video, we will show you how to fix it on both Android and iPhone. Let's get started. Why Leica mobile no service in Android and iPhone? SIM card not properly inserted or damaged. Device compatibility issue with Leica mobile's network. Network settings need to be refreshed or reset. Airplane mode is enabled, disabling all connections. Incorrect APN settings preventing data access. Temporary network outages or maintenance by Leica mobile. Software glitches or bugs in the device's operating system. Fix 1. Turn off or on airplane mode. Turning airplane mode on and then off can reset network connections, helping to resolve issues with connectivity. Swipe down the quick settings, turn off airplane mode, wait for 2 seconds, then turn on airplane mode. Fix 2. Turn off or on your device. Turn off your device completely and then turn it back on. These simple steps can refresh system settings and resolve temporary glitches that may be affecting eSIM activation. For iOS, press and hold the power button until the slide to power off option appears. Slide it to turn off, wait 30 seconds, then press the power button again to turn it back on. For Android, press and hold the power button until the power off option appears. Select it, wait 30 seconds, and then press the power button again to restart. Update your operating system. Ensure that your phone's operating system is up to date, as updates can improve compatibility and fix bugs related to eSIM functionality. For Android, connect your device to Wi Fi, open the Settings app, select About Phone, tap on Check for updates, and follow the prompts to install any available updates. For iOS, connect to Wi Fi, go to Settings, tap on General, select Software Update, and then follow the instructions to download and install the latest version. If you cannot see the update button, the operating system is already running in the latest version. Fix 3. Check APN settings. Ensure that your access point name settings are correctly configured for Leica Mobile. For iOS, go to Settings, then Cellular Data Network, then go to Enable LTE switch. Toggle on Enable LTE. Now you can see the APN options under Cellular Data section. Add the iPhone APN details to the respective fields and leave the remaining as it is, then restart your phone. For Android, open settings, then connections or network and internet, then go to mobile networks, then mobile network and internet, access point name, then go to three dot menu in the top right, add and add mentioned APN details to the respective field. Click on the three dot in the top right corner, then go to Save. Ensure that the new access point name is enabled and restart your Android device. APN details for iOS and Android. Name Leica Mobile, APN data.leicamobile.com. Username leave blank, password leave blank, MMS APN data.leicamobile.com. MMSC http leica.mvno.com/mms/webenc. Manually select network providers. Sometimes issues with network coverage can affect voicemail functionality. Check your signal strength and try switching between automatic and manual network selection in your mobile network settings. Android manual network selection. Go to settings, then connections, then go to mobile networks, then go to network operators. Tap on network operators or a similar option to view available networks. Select the Leica mobile network from the list of available networks. iOS manual network selection. Go to settings, then cellular, then go to cellular data options, then go to network selections. Turn off automatic to enable manual network selection. Select the Leica mobile network from the list of available networks. Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can often resolve connectivity issues. For iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then reset the network settings. For Android, go to Settings, then System, then go to Reset Options, reset Wi Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth, and then confirm. Fix 7. Reinsert and remove SIM. Ensure the SIM is properly aligned in both cases for a successful connection. To remove and reinsert the SIM card on iOS, power off your iPhone, use the SIM eject tool to open the tray, take out the SIM, then place it back in and push the tray securely. For Android, power off the device, use the eject tool to remove the SIM tray, take out the SIM card, reinsert it correctly, and push the tray back in. Fix 8. Check country availability. There may be no available networks in the area you are roaming or your device may not be compatible with local networks. Go to Laika country check page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Make sure the country is listed there. For example, in Asia, Laika mobile service is only available in India and Sri Lanka. Fix 9. Replace the SIM. Your account may have restrictions or issues preventing roaming services. Also, there might be an issue with the SIM and you need to replace it. Contact Laika Mobile Customer Support. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it and check for any account related problems. You can connect them by dialing 322 or 611. You can also use live chat feature as it is available for 24 by 7.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.